Kia ora e tiwi, Whai Wāhitanga, to participate or to be involved. For our rangatahi, that's about chasing their place.
Whai Wāhitanga recognises young people as valued contributors to society by creating space for them to participate, assume their agency and take responsibility.
Whai Wāhitanga and the right to participate comes from recognising the mana of us rangatahi. Mana is the status we inherit at birth and accrue over the rest of our lifetime through our mahi and our actions.
It determines the right for a young person to have agency in their lives and the decisions that affect them.
Young people are empowered when we ensure that all young people can participate and navigate society without privileging the voices of just a few.
When young people are supported to choose how they engage, it means they take more ownership and in turn has a more meaningful impact on their lives.
Us young people want to be a part of something, to have a meaningful contribution to society.
And if us oldies, us youth workers, can help to create more opportunities for young people to do so, then it can only make for an amazing impact for the rest of their lives.
Whai Wāhitanga.
Get your young people amongst it e te iwi.
Karawhiua.